Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reduce data usage on Instagram and save your mobile internet. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once the app is open, go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, scroll down and select Media Quality. Here you will find an option called Use Less Cellular Data. Simply tap on the toggle to turn it on. After enabling this option, Instagram will use less mobile data when loading photos and videos, which is very helpful if you have a limited data plan or a slow internet connection. That's it for this video. I hope this quick tip helps you save your data. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you in the next one.